Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GitHub code hosting. GitHub code hosting is a platform for software developers to store, manage, and collaborate on code. It's mainly aimed at programmers, developers, and teams working on software projects of all sizes. Key features include version control, collaboration tools, and issue tracking. Their website provides details on their various pricing plans and features. GitHub offers a free plan for individual users and open-source projects, with paid options for private repositories and enhanced collaboration features. They emphasize ease of use and a robust ecosystem of tools and integrations. Availability is worldwide. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GitHub. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was intuitive, and I was able to create a repository and push my first project within minutes. Navigating the interface was straightforward. The visual representation of branches and commits was especially helpful. I used the pull request feature extensively to collaborate with a friend on a small game project, and the process was seamless. Performance was consistently excellent. The platform was responsive and reliable. I had a quick question about setting up GitHub Actions, and their support responded within a day via email. That was really helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the integrated issue tracker. One minor drawback was the learning curve for some of the more advanced features like GitHub Pages. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I grasped the concepts, it was incredibly powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GitHub. It's a powerful tool that made collaboration much easier and streamlined my workflow. That's my overview of GitHub code hosting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.